Hi, I hope you are doing good today. I have created two paths for you so that you can understand how the users are flowing for your website, and I can show you how you can see it. So, first of all, when you log into your dashboard, in your Google Analytics dashboard, you have to go to Explore sections here, and once you are here, you can click on Experts Events. You can select any date range that you require, and then here on the first step, this is the starting point, and on the first step you can see on which page that person landed, any user landed, and from here that person went to another page which you can see here. For example, when a person landed on this page, they also went to this page or this page. So it's like that. The user flow is going like that. And then once he is here, he then clicked on expert search page. He went here, and then from here he went to these many expert pages. Okay, and then next, for example, if we talk about this expert, the person when went to this expert page, he then made some progress here, and then he clicked. He either selected one of them, selected the form start. They started the form. They scrolled, so it's going like that. And then after this again, they made, after scrolling, for example, they started the form. So it's flowing like that. So this is the user flow which I have particularly created for the expert search pages. And then if we go back to explore, you can see that I have created another one for you, traffic exploration. So with this path, you can see all the pages people are going to. For example, when they landed on this page, they then went to expert search page. They also went to this page, and so on. And then from expert search page, they went to these many expert pages. And then from here, they again, for example, if you will talk about this expert particularly, the person first landed on this, and then he went to expert search page, which means he might not be that much interested, or might be looking for some other experts. So he then clicked again on expert search, and then again they went to this expert and some other pages. One more thing here is, for example, if you would like to see how what the person did exactly when he landed on this page, so you can just click on this blue thing here, and when you click on it, you can see after this page, from this page to which page exactly that person went. Okay, so you can do this for any other page too. For example, I can do this for here, and then from here it went to this page again. Okay, and when you see this gray thing here, you can think of it like the person might have lose the interest, or he might have closed the window. It's something like that. So this is where the session ended. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, please do let me know.